every program to myself. He's gonna get you guys out of here safely and quickly as he can.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, should be okay.
I hope so.
It's kind of a rush job. I didn't exactly expect you guys to get captured on your first day.
Yeah, I know.
So
Sorry.
there's that.
We weren't supposed to be captured on the first day.
Oh my gosh.
Don't you love it?
I'm so excited.
Here. About to push the buttons.
Nothing happened.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, keep your seatbelt securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble. Hey, you're not authorized. Wait. Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Oh my god.
Prison has not seen on them deep.
Oh my god.
Take cover, recruits! If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pod's just below us! Wait, where are you going? Down, up is bad! Up is real bad!
Oh my god.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now! Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Stafford's pod vehicle.
Morris
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Oh my god.